We're in front of a pretty interesting Vica vans called the Vica 54. And well, this Vica 54 will give you a sitting place for 4 people with a pretty interesting design. So the final price is 94,400. But something pretty interesting is the pop-up roof design with this sitting bench situation on the back. Standard Fiat Ducato chassis van and well sitting place for 4 people with additional storage units right up there and with actual retain this part for additional storage. And on the upper part, the sky up pop-up roof bed, pretty wide and interesting. And then additional storage for your kitchen stuff right up there and down there. 2 burner stove with sink, additional storage right up there, and Dometic slide out fridge. Good design. On this part we have the Dometic cassette toilet with a complete shower room and the bed that slides up and down. And on the lower part we have this sitting bench situation that we will be checking on the back side. So there is a sitting bench situation that can probably fall down for an additional bed. And well, it looks like pretty amazing if you want to take your dinner on the next level. Let's go around and finish off this video with the Vica vans. Campervan 540.